What is going on, Quiet Fam? As you guys can see, we are back with another video, and today we actually have a new pickup for the HELLCAT REDEYE. As you guys can see, this beautiful car, we have some beautiful things to unbox really quick. So let's go ahead and slide this box open, move this out the way. As you can see, it is from H&R Quality Performance. Not sponsored, by the way. If you guys want to sponsor me, hey, I'm very open to sponsors, so I'm very open. But if you guys don't know what these are, we have some beautiful lowering springs for this car. And I know you may be saying, why did you get lowering springs? The car looks fine. Well, the front looks okay. I'm not gonna lie. If it was like this, I wouldn't even touch it. The front looks fine, but it's kind of the problem with the back. See, the back is like a 4-finger gap, as you can see. Low-key, like low-key 5 fingers, I'm not gonna lie. 5-finger gap. But if we come over to the front, look, it's more of like a 2-finger, 3-finger gap. It's not even, it's like, I don't know why it's like that, but yeah, we got these lowering springs. We are gonna go get these installed, so I definitely cannot wait to see how this bad boy looks after we get these installed. As you can see right now as well, I might need some spacers, probably like not even that much for real, because there's like a little, hold on, if it comes to the side, yeah, there's like a little gap in between, so we might end up needing some spacers. I'm not sure yet, but first I definitely want to get these on first. I'm very excited to see how these look, bro. But let's go ahead and throw these in the car. Also, another thing about me is I really do like cars that have that flush fitment, like where the wheels are dead ass like right there on the fender, especially with, it's mainly common with BMWs, but just in general, cars that have that nice ass fitment, bro, I love it. It looks so clean. It makes your cars looks 20 times better. But these are low-key, oh my gosh. There we go. Okay, boom. And then, all right, we are all good. So now let's go ahead and start this car up. This build is actually coming along crazy. We have everything that we need. Lowering springs, 5-inch tips, diffuser, nice plate. Like I said in my last video, I'm gonna remove these soon, like the little Dodge on here. I don't really like that. And then also get like a bigger spoiler as well. And then maybe in the future, we might get a wrap. What is that? But yeah, in the future, we might get a wrap as well. Well, other than that, guys, this thing is beautiful. Got the SRT light, all that. So, that being said, I'm not here to yap your head off. Let's go ahead and get a cold start on this bad boy. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Understand how loud this is. Like, this is super duper loud. But hold on, we gotta come to the front. But I'll catch you guys once we get on the road. Okay, good morning, guys. As you can see, it is currently the next day. go get these lowering springs installed. I'm super hyped. Do a quick little POV for my TikTok viewers out there, for all my little TikTokers out there. All right, bet. Bro, of course it does not want to work, bro. Are we so for real? Bro, are you kidding me right now? iPhone camera is sold, bro. Wow. Oh, police. Oh, whoa. Gotta be careful. Almost gave me a heart attack, bro. What the fuck are you doing? Did she just get in front of me going like 10 miles per hour, bro? Camera ahead. Wow, that was actually perfect, bro. I just went through like 5 lights without getting a red light. That's actually, bro, there's so many red light cameras. Holy, is that the police station? Why is there a police car right there? Come on, boys, gotta be quiet now. Is that a police car or is that just a... Bro, these are like unmarked. Sheriff. No? What the? Impersonation question mark? All right, so the shop is literally like right here. So we pretty much just made it. It's literally right here. Time to say goodbye to the Hellcat for like 5 hours. Look, here they are right here. Yeah, this is it. I think, right? Which one do I pull up into? I'm gonna pull up right here on this one. So as you guys can see, we just made it right now to the shop. We have the lowering springs right there. As you can see, H&R, made in Germany. So here is the before we get them installed. As you can see, here's the front fitment right here, and then here is the back fitment. And now that I'm looking at it, we low-key might need some spacers because there is like a little bit of, the wheels are kind of in a little bit, but yeah. 4 5-finger gap right now. Here's the before, boom, the back, and then here is the front. So I will catch you guys once we finish getting these bad boys installed. Okay, as you guys can see, we have the Hellcat on the lowering springs. This thing looks 20 times better as like earlier, because like I was saying earlier, the back was kind of sticking up a little bit, but now, bro, it looks so beautiful. Look at that. Hold on, let's examine this from the side profile. This is like, look at this from an angle. Oh yeah, bro, look at this, bro. Hell yeah. Look at the fitment, bro. The fitment is perfect. The only thing I'll probably say that I need, bro, look at that. Bro, the fitment is chef's kiss, bro. The only thing that I need is probably some 10mm spacers to bring out the wheels a little bit more. But other than that, bro, the car looks amazing. So guys, we have the SRT logo, we have the red seats, we have the wheels, we have lowering springs, we have the Hellcat decal. Is that him? I'm waiting on my homie to pull up right now. He has an M4 CSL, so I don't know where he's at, but we have everything, bro. The plate, everything, 5-inch tips, bro. What more do we need on this car? Like, this car is coming out beautiful. I don't know what else we need to do, but I might break this down into 2 videos. I wanted to just do this one right here, showing you guys the lowering springs, and then the next video is going to be me mobbing with a M4 CSL, so that should be very, very exciting. But if you guys enjoyed this video of me getting these lowering springs installed, here is the after, and then I'll put a video of the before. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe on this video, because I really do enjoy making this content for you guys. I really do love making car videos for you amazing people out there. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. We will be mobbing with the M4 CSL. Make sure to subscribe, bro, because the content is about to be, oh, okay, Porsche. But the content is about to be crazy on this channel, so keep supporting, keep running it up, bro. I love y'all. Peace.